One day when we are old and gray, we can sit on our front porch and tell our grandchildren our love story.
That's beautiful. It's our love for one another that has always prevailed, and I'm thankful every single day for the opportunity to prove that to you, and that I indeed was the last date you'd ever go on.
I vow to never stop loving you as I do today and to always stand by your side, for better or for worse. I'm such a different person than I was a year ago, having you in my life. You are the strength that I didn't know I needed and the joy I didn't know I lacked. I swear to you that I will dedicate my life from this day forward, filling our life with love and laughter, and to always be honest to you, make you laugh, to frustrate you and to challenge you, and to maybe one day let you win an argument. You're not only my partner, but you're my best friend, and you've taught me that two people that love, trust, and respect each other can be far stronger and happier than they can ever be alone.
I believe that God has a specific plan for everyone, and those experiences and the way that they handle them are never the same for any two individuals. Our paths to each other haven't always been perfect or easy, but they have been merged to forge a new path for us to walk down and begin a new chapter in each of our lives. As a whole, I know that our paths were meant to meet, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I love you with all my heart and always promise to be there for you and support your endeavors and adventures within reason. And I'm reminded of an ever so true statement from the end of one of JJ's books, where there's a monster looking for someone and somewhere to be, and no one wants to be around that monster until he sees someone just like him. Sometimes love finds you when you least expect it.
I now happily pronounce you husband and wife. Kyle, you may kiss your bride.
Love you.
Friends and family, it's my honor to present to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs.
Yeah. Now what do we do? We didn't plan this
I
part
didn't plan this
out.
right out. I guess we just.
We'll walk down the aisle.
All right, we'll walk down the
All
aisle
right.
together.